Very strange behavior for Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Look what happened to the lens. Why it's moving like that? And it's making this strange sound. Oh. Can you hear the sound?